Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to buy from Yupoo by using Pandabuy agents. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Pandabuy and Yupoo, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. And as you can see right here on the Yupoo website, I can just pick a product that I want to buy, and after that I can just copy the product link right here if I click share. And as you can see, I can copy its link, and after copying the link I can just go back to the Pandabuy website and just paste the link right here on the search page. And after that, as you can see, the Pandabuy will automatically set up your item. And as you can see, you just need to insert all the specification that you want to buy, and also how much and the quantity that you want to buy, or how many you want to buy. And yeah, that's it. So after that, I can just add it to my cart and buy it if I want. And after that, as you can see, if I click buy now, I will be redirected to the order page, and I can just submit the order if I want, and the Pandabuy client itself will handle the order and they will buy from Yupoo and deliver it to you. And yeah, that's it. That's how it works. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.